How to fix Razer Cortex not opening. Method 1. Run Razer Cortex as an administrator. Right-click the Cortex desktop shortcut and click Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab. Mark the checkbox next to the Run this program as an administrator option. Click Apply and click OK. Method 2. Run Razer Cortex in compatibility mode. Right-click the Cortex desktop shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Mark the Run this program in compatibility mode for option. Select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Click Apply and click OK. Method 3. End all Razer Cortex processes and relaunch it. Hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, locate all Razer Cortex related processes. Right-click each process and click End Task. Make sure that no Cortex processes are running. Launch the application again to see if that fixed the problem. Method 4. Run the Razer Cortex executable from the destination folder. Hold down Windows plus E keys to open File Explorer. In the address bar, type in C:\program files, x86 \Razer \Razer services \Razer Central, and press the Enter key. Find razercentral.exe, right-click it, and click Run as Administrator. Method 5. Reinstall Razer Cortex. Navigate to the icon tray, right-click the Razer Cortex icon, and click Exit All Apps. Right-click the Start button, and select Apps and Features. Find Razer Cortex, click the ellipsis, and click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. Click Uninstall. Select Razer Cortex and click Uninstall. Click Yes, Remove. Click Close. Hold down Windows plus E keys to open File Explorer. In the File Explorer address bar, type in C:\program files, x86 \Razer, and press Enter. Select all of the folders inside the Razer folder, right-click the selection, and click Delete. Then, in the File Explorer address bar, type in C:\program data \Razer, and press Enter. Select all of the folders inside the Razer folder, Right-click the selection, and click Delete. Open your web browser, and go to the Razer Cortex website. Click Download now. Run the Razer Cortex installer.exe once it's downloaded. Click Install. Click Get Started. Click Login. Enter your login credentials, and click Login. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.